Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering essentials so the recovery process moves fast and securely. Have your account number or CIF plus the registered mobile or email in front of you. This proves identity quickly. Also grab a government ID and a recent statement or the last 4 digits of your debit card to confirm transactions. Once done, make sure your device and browser are updated and you're on a trusted network to prevent interruptions or fraud while you proceed. Now you perform the main verification and reset steps. Select the Forgot Password or Recover Account option on the Union Bank website or app, then enter your account or CIF and request an OTP. When the OTP arrives, enter it immediately. If asked, answer security questions to confirm your identity. If the OTP doesn't arrive, switch to an alternative verification method. Use the secure document upload or finish by setting a strong new password and updating contact and security details so you don't repeat this recovery. After resetting, log in and review recent transactions and link services, then re-enable online banking, transfers, and card access as needed. If something still doesn't work, note the support or reference number and escalate to your local branch or verified customer support. This speeds resolution. One troubleshooting tip. If authentication repeatedly fails, clear browser cache or try the bank's app on another secure device before calling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.